Buonasera, good evening. This message is meant for all English-speaking foreigners residing in Italy. If you're wondering, what does one have to do to get Italian driving license? Search no more. You have reached the destination. I can explain to you. My name is Ambrish and I belong to my institute is called Ambrish Quick Patente. This is an officially registered company, and this is registered in the Chamber of Commerce. And even my qualities as a translator. I'm also in the Albo di Traduttori. You can find out I have a license to translate, and I would like you to understand that my translation are valid in Italian court of law. So if I sign a signature, so I have all the qualifications to teach. So far, I have helped all the people in teaching them in thousands of foreigners in Italy, teaching them to even those who could not read or write any language. I have taught them to pass the exams in Italy and in the year your folio rosa, which means a learner's license. Now, what is the basic requisite? You should have your permesso soggiorno, carta di identità, codice fiscale. This is not a scheme where you pay money to buy license. I am not selling anything. Okay, make sure you will have to study like all other Italians do, all we do. So, all of us have to study. Even you'll have to study. This is not some scam. You can buy some money. So make sure you know you're adhering to a school, and we can enable you to pass the exams in whichever language you choose. Italy allows you to pass the exams in three languages: in Italian, German, and French. And I'm the only person who actually enables you at least to finish in either Italian or German language, okay? My French is not that good, so I don't even want to go down that line. I don't have time for that. But if you're interested, read the information below, call the number and ask for information. Basically, this information shall be giving you all that you need to know, but it should have any information. If you want to do a free trial of 2 days to find out how I teach, check our YouTube channels. You'll find usually Urdu lessons, but I'm sure when you get in touch with me, I can explain to you that I will be doing the same thing in English language. The point is, I can teach you from Monday to Friday from 10 to 11. I know lots of people are busy at that time, but that's the only time I can actually dedicate because all the other slots are filled up with other languages in German and Italian and other classes. So for any information, do not hesitate to contact. Believe me, life is much better with having a driving license. Otherwise, in Europe, you can't survive without it. So without further ado, I wait your calls. Have a nice evening. Best of luck and be extraordinary.